Hi teacher, my name is Monica. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my favorite breakfast, and this is healthy banana oatmeal mini pancakes without eggs, without milk, without oil, and without sugar. For this recipe, we need some ingredients. We need a cup of oat, we need a cup of almond milk, and we need a ripe banana. The first step is place all the ingredients in a blender. We put banana on a blend. We put the oat, and finally we put the almond milk. Next, process until completely smooth the mixture. You have to see the mixture, and if the mixture is too runny, you have to add more oat. The second step is add a tablespoon of the mixture on a skillet, like you can see in this video. The next step is cook until edges are golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes, and then flip the pancake and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, like you can see in this video. And finally, serve with honey and enjoy it. Thanks teacher. See you later. Kind regards.